The electric vehicle industry is on the verge of a major shift that could redefine the future of transportation. For many years, battery technology has advanced through steady improvements in driving range, charging efficiency, and manufacturing costs. Now, however, a different type of battery is emerging as a serious contender in the market. Sodium-ion technology, once confined to research laboratories and academic discussions, is gradually becoming a practical solution for large-scale automotive applications. Interestingly, this transition is occurring without the intense media attention that accompanied previous breakthroughs in the EV sector. Despite the relatively low profile, the long-term consequences could be substantial. Industry analysts increasingly view this development as one of the most important technological milestones of the decade, if current expectations are realized. The latter half of 2026 may be remembered as the moment when electric mobility entered a completely new phase, one where affordability and accessibility become far easier goals to achieve. To fully appreciate the significance of sodium-ion batteries, it is important to understand their history. Contrary to what many people assume, this technology is not new. Scientific research involving sodium-based energy storage dates back to the 1980s, when researchers first began exploring alternatives to lithium. Sodium attracted attention because of its extraordinary abundance across the planet. Unlike lithium, which depends on mining operations that can be expensive and geographically concentrated, sodium is readily available in common salt deposits and seawater. This abundance made it an attractive candidate for future battery development. Nevertheless, while the concept appeared promising on paper, practical challenges prevented it from becoming commercially competitive. As a result, development progressed slowly and received far less investment than lithium-based technologies. One of the biggest limitations of early sodium-ion batteries was their relatively low energy density. In practical terms, this meant they could store less energy for a given weight compared to lithium batteries. Vehicles relying on these cells would therefore require larger and heavier battery packs to achieve comparable driving distances. For many years, sodium-ion technology remained stuck around the 120 watt-hours per kilogram threshold, a figure considered insufficient for most modern electric vehicles. Although suitable for certain specialized applications, it failed to meet the expectations of mainstream automotive manufacturers. Consequently, numerous research initiatives lost momentum, and companies focused their resources on technologies that offered stronger commercial prospects. This helped lithium batteries establish an overwhelming lead in the global market. As sodium-ion research struggled to overcome its technical barriers, lithium battery development accelerated at an impressive pace. Major manufacturers invested enormous sums into innovation, production facilities, and supply chain expansion. Each successive generation of lithium batteries delivered better performance while becoming more affordable to produce. This created a self-reinforcing cycle. Increased demand encouraged larger-scale manufacturing, which in turn lowered costs and attracted further investment. Over time, lithium became the dominant energy storage solution for electric vehicles worldwide. During this period, sodium batteries were often viewed as a distant possibility rather than an imminent competitor. Many specialists believed it would take several more decades before the technology could challenge lithium's position. Few expected the pace of progress that would emerge in recent years. The situation began to change dramatically when leading battery companies renewed their focus on sodium-ion development. Among the most influential players was CATL, one of the largest battery manufacturers on the planet. The company revealed a new generation of sodium-ion cells capable of reaching energy density levels approaching 175 Wh per kilogram. This announcement generated significant interest throughout the automotive industry because it represented much more than a minor technical improvement. Reaching this level of performance meant overcoming a threshold that many experts considered essential for large-scale commercial adoption. For the first time, sodium-ion batteries appeared capable of competing in segments that had previously been dominated by lithium. What was once regarded as a theoretical alternative suddenly became a realistic option for future vehicle programs. The importance of this breakthrough extends beyond laboratory achievements. Unlike many experimental technologies that show promise only under controlled conditions, sodium-ion batteries are now moving toward industrial-scale manufacturing. This distinction is critical because numerous innovations fail when transitioning from research environments to mass production. In the case of sodium technology, the evidence increasingly suggests that this challenge is being successfully addressed. Automakers can now begin evaluating these batteries not as future possibilities, but as components that could soon be integrated into production vehicles. The implications are significant. Once a technology becomes economically and technically viable for large-scale manufacturing, it starts influencing investment decisions, supply chains, and long-term product strategies. Many analysts believe the industry is currently witnessing exactly this transition. Another factor attracting attention is the performance of sodium-ion batteries in cold climates. Drivers living in regions with harsh winters are familiar with the difficulties faced by many electric vehicles when temperatures drop significantly. Under such conditions, battery efficiency can decline, resulting in reduced driving range and less predictable performance. This occurs because low temperatures slow the movement of ions inside the battery, limiting the system's ability to deliver energy effectively. As a result, vehicles that normally travel long distances on a single charge may experience noticeable reductions in range during winter months. This challenge affects several lithium-based battery chemistries and continues to be a major concern for manufacturers. Early testing indicates that sodium-ion technology may handle these conditions more effectively, potentially offering a more consistent experience for drivers in colder environments. Over the years, engineers have introduced a variety of methods to reduce the negative effects that cold weather has on electric vehicle batteries. Modern thermal control systems are designed to keep battery packs operating within an ideal temperature range, even when external conditions are unfavorable. Some manufacturers equip their vehicles with dedicated battery heating functions that warm the cells before driving begins. Others rely on advanced insulation materials to minimize temperature loss while the vehicle remains parked for extended periods. Although these approaches improve overall performance, they do not completely solve the underlying chemical challenges associated with low-temperature operation. Instead, they help lessen the impact of the problem. As a result, the search for battery technologies that can naturally maintain strong performance in cold climates continues to be a major priority across the industry. This is where sodium-ion technology starts to attract serious attention. Recent research has revealed encouraging results regarding the behavior of sodium-ion batteries in freezing conditions. Unlike many conventional battery chemistries, which can experience noticeable reductions in efficiency when temperatures drop, sodium-based cells appear capable of retaining a much larger percentage of their available energy. Certain tests have reported energy retention levels above 90% even in environments that would typically create significant performance challenges for other battery types. Such results could have important implications for drivers living in colder regions of the world. In countries where winter weather is a constant reality, confidence in vehicle range often plays a crucial role in purchasing decisions. A battery that remains reliable despite extreme temperatures can greatly improve the ownership experience and reduce concerns related to daily use. For many experts, this advantage could become one of the strongest drivers behind the wider adoption of electric vehicles. In addition to the technological improvements, sodium-ion batteries may also deliver substantial economic benefits. Battery packs continue to represent one of the largest expenses involved in producing an electric vehicle, directly influencing the final retail price. Because of this, reducing battery costs has become a key objective for automakers seeking to expand their customer base. If current projections regarding sodium-ion production are achieved, manufacturing expenses could decline considerably in the coming years. Lower costs would allow companies to introduce more affordable models, making electric transportation accessible to a broader range of consumers, instead of remaining concentrated primarily in higher-priced market segments. Electric vehicles could become practical options for families and drivers who have traditionally been excluded by cost barriers. This possibility is one of the main reasons why industry leaders are paying close attention to the rapid progress of sodium-based technology. Another area where sodium-ion batteries are generating excitement is durability. One of the most common concerns among potential electric vehicle buyers involves the long-term lifespan of the battery pack. Since the battery is among the most expensive components in the vehicle, its longevity has a direct impact on ownership costs and resale value. Replacing a degraded battery outside the warranty period can be a costly undertaking, making durability a major consideration for consumers. Consequently, researchers and manufacturers continuously seek ways to increase the number of charging and discharging cycles a battery can endure without significant performance loss. The latest sodium-ion developments have produced particularly impressive results in this regard. Early data suggests these batteries could achieve lifespan figures that exceed many current expectations, potentially reshaping how consumers view the long-term reliability and value of electric vehicles. If these results continue to be validated, sodium-ion technology may become known not only for affordability and cold-weather performance, but also for exceptional longevity. Battery longevity has traditionally been measured using the concept of charge cycles. A complete cycle occurs when a battery is fully charged and then discharged by an equivalent amount. Regardless of the chemistry used, every battery gradually loses part of its storage capacity as it ages. This natural process leads to a reduction in driving range over time, affecting the vehicle's overall performance. Most of today's advanced battery technologies, including those found in many premium electric vehicles, are generally designed to withstand between 1,500 and 2,000 full cycles before noticeable degradation begins to appear. Although this level of durability is sufficient for many years of regular driving, it still imposes limitations when considering extremely long-term use. This is where sodium-ion technology introduces a particularly compelling advantage. According to figures released by several companies involved in battery development, the newest sodium-ion cells could potentially achieve close to 10,000 full charge and discharge cycles. If these performance targets are validated in real-world conditions and large-scale production, the implications could be extraordinary. Such a lifespan would far exceed the durability levels commonly associated with current battery technologies. For vehicle owners, this would dramatically reduce concerns about battery aging and long-term reliability. In addition, batteries with such extended service lives could become highly valuable for secondary applications, including residential and industrial energy storage. Rather than being retired after their automotive use ends, they could continue operating for many additional years. This possibility has generated considerable excitement among researchers, manufacturers, and energy specialists alike. When these figures are translated into everyday driving scenarios, the potential benefits become even more remarkable. The average motorist would be unlikely to ever reach the maximum cycle limit during the normal ownership period of a vehicle. In many situations, the car itself would likely be replaced because of technological advancements, changing consumer preferences, or mechanical wear, long before the battery approached the end of its useful life. This represents a major shift from current perceptions. Instead of being viewed as a component that may eventually require replacement, the battery could become one of the most durable parts of the vehicle. Such a change would likely strengthen consumer confidence and positively influence resale values. Buyers in the used car market tend to place greater value on vehicles equipped with components known for exceptional longevity and reliability. Cost, however, remains one of the most powerful arguments supporting the rise of sodium-ion technology. For decades, battery expenses have represented one of the largest barriers, preventing electric vehicles from becoming accessible to a broader audience. While manufacturing costs have steadily declined over recent years, batteries still account for a substantial share of a vehicle's total production price. Because of this, even modest reductions in battery costs can create significant ripple effects throughout the industry. The projections currently being discussed suggest that sodium-ion technology could deliver far more than modest savings. If the expected production efficiencies are achieved, the automotive sector may experience one of the most dramatic cost reductions in its history. Several industry forecasts indicate that sodium-ion batteries could reach exceptionally competitive cost per kilowatt-hour figures within the next few years. Compared with many of today's lithium-based alternatives, the potential savings are considerable. Lower production costs would not only improve profitability for manufacturers but could also translate into more affordable electric vehicles for consumers. In a market where pricing plays a crucial role in purchasing decisions, such reductions could dramatically reshape competitive dynamics. Companies that successfully integrate sodium-ion technology early may gain a significant advantage over rivals by offering attractive products at lower prices. Meanwhile, manufacturers that delay adoption could find it increasingly difficult to maintain their position in a rapidly evolving industry. The real impact becomes clear when examining the total cost of a complete battery pack. Even a relatively small reduction in the price per kilowatt-hour can result in substantial savings when multiplied across the entire capacity of a vehicle's battery system. If manufacturers pass even part of these savings on to customers, electric vehicles could become far more affordable than they are today. This would help close the price gap that still exists between many electric models and traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. For years, the higher purchase price of electric cars has been one of the strongest obstacles to widespread adoption. More affordable batteries have the potential to remove this barrier, encouraging faster consumer acceptance and accelerating the global transition toward electric mobility. The result could be a much larger and more accessible market than anything the industry has experienced so far. One of the most exciting possibilities surrounding sodium-ion batteries is their potential to make electric vehicles significantly more affordable. For many years, EV technology has largely been associated with higher-priced models, often positioned in the premium segment of the automotive market. Although lower-cost options have gradually appeared, many consumers still view electric cars as products that require a larger financial investment than conventional combustion engine vehicles. If sodium-based batteries achieve the performance and cost targets currently being discussed, this perception could change dramatically. Automakers would gain new opportunities to design budget-friendly electric models capable of reaching a much broader customer base. As prices become more accessible, adoption rates could increase across different regions of the world, helping accelerate the transition toward cleaner transportation. Ultimately, the easier it becomes for consumers to purchase an electric vehicle,